In this video, we are going to discuss about cyber law. In previous video, we have understood what types of cyber crimes can be perpetrated. So, we need to have cyber laws in place to deal with these crimes. Now, any legal issue that is related to internet or cyberspace is covered under the cyber law. Cyber law is a very broad term that covers issues like freedom of expression, internet usage, online privacy, even copyright infringement. Most of the companies or countries have their own cyber laws. Why we need that? You have to understand that when a cyber crime is perpetrated, it is actually spread over a wide area which could span many different regions, even countries, because the perpetrator could be sitting, the person who is doing that crime, who is the criminal, is sitting in say India, but the victim is in some other country, say UK or in US, or sitting somewhere in Antarctica or Arctic even, because if they have a internet connection, they could be sitting there also. So it spans the whole country, whole continents, and police system of many countries have to be involved to solve these cyber crimes. So cyber laws are in place in most of the countries, and they have rules and regulations so that they can collaborate with each other. The police department or the cyber law department of one country can collaborate with other countries, their counterparts in other countries, and solve these cyber crimes. Even India has its own IT security laws in place. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the Indian IT Act.